Ukrainian drone operators have shown great skills throughout the conflict, showing the pinpoint accuracy and capability in hitting moving targets. While the drone they use offers different capability in speed, stability and maneuverability, as seen here with a more unstable FPV drone finding a BMP-1 next to some trenches. As the drone operator noticed the back door is open, trying to fly in, but due to the low height, almost losing contact with the drone. As the batteries are also just about to run out, the drone manages to turn up for a second try, turning around, trying to fly inside the BMP for a secure destruction of the vehicle. But as the drone is too hard to maneuver, with that high accuracy, the drone operators choose to land on top of the BMP and detonate. As the BMP-1 has very thin roof armor, this move is probably good enough while flying in. Would be even more satisfying, showing the capability but also the fraction of a second decision the operators need to make to have the best chances of destroying as much of Russia's equipment as possible. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.